In this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable win32 long paths in Windows 11. So very simple and basic way. First thing you have to do, find out Registry Editor. Type here Regedit. Run as administrator. So right click and select run as administrator. It will ask permissions, so click on yes. Now back up your registry editor, so export and save it. If something went wrong, so you can import your registry editor. Now expand HK local machine, then system. Now in this list, expand current control set, then control. Now in this list you will see file system. Double click on it. Now here double click on long path enable. So make value as 0. If you will see any number, so make it 0, then click on OK. Now close your registry editor. And if you want to enable, so make 1 file system and long path enable. Double click on it and make value as 1 to enable it, and to disable make 0. Now close registry editor and restart your system. So this way you can disable and turn off win32 long path in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.